The countdown is almost over, and just days before the official reveal, the Galaxy S26 Ultra has quietly sent a very loud message. Fresh benchmark results just surfaced, and they don't just look good, they look final. Stable scores, repeatable performance, and zero signs of instability. That usually means one thing: the software is nearly finished, the tuning is complete, and Samsung is ready. With the official launch set for February 25th, everything is pointing toward one of the most polished Ultra releases we've seen in years. Performance on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra now looks completely locked in. The global variant recently appeared on Geekbench, powered by Qualcomm's custom Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy chip. And this time, the numbers weren't just impressive, they were consistent. Single-core scores climbed past 3,760, while multi-core results pushed beyond 11,450. But what really stands out is the stability. The device repeatedly delivered strong results without random drops or fluctuations, which usually signals finalized firmware optimization. In simple terms, the early rough edges are gone. Samsung has refined the performance balance, and everything is running exactly how it should. Under the hood, the chip features 2 prime cores clocked at 4.74 GHz and 6 performance cores running at 3.63 GHz. It's a heavily customized version of Qualcomm's latest flagship silicon, specifically tuned for Galaxy devices to deliver peak efficiency and sustained power. Meanwhile, Samsung is continuing its dual-chip strategy for the rest of the lineup. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus will use the Snapdragon chip in regions like the United States and Canada, while most global markets will get Samsung's in-house Exynos 2600. Early comparisons suggest the Exynos chip performs surprisingly close to the Snapdragon variant, which, if true in real-world usage, could finally calm the long-running debate around Samsung's processor choices. And the wait won't be long. The Galaxy S26 series becomes official on February 25th, with early buyers expected to get their devices in the first week of March. Soon, we'll see how these chips handle real-world tasks, not just benchmark apps. If these results are anything to go by, Samsung may be preparing one of its most refined and performance-focused Ultra launches yet. But performance isn't the only story here, because just when it felt like we already knew everything about this phone, a new leak filled in one of the last missing pieces. The company just released multiple preview videos showing a brand new image editing experience powered by something called Edge Fusion technology. Now, here's why this matters. Instead of sending your photos to the cloud like most AI tools do, this system runs directly on the device. That means faster results, more privacy, and edits happening in just seconds. And we're not talking about simple filters. We're talking about full AI generation happening right on your phone. One of the demos shows something surprisingly impressive. There's a cupcake with a bite taken out of it, and with Galaxy AI, the phone literally restores the missing piece perfectly in seconds. No weird textures, no obvious edits. The lighting, shape, and detail all match naturally, like nothing ever happened. This kind of editing used to take serious Photoshop skills, but now it's basically one tap, or even just a voice command. Then there's sketch to image, and this one is just fun. Samsung showed a simple sky photo where someone drew a rough sketch of a UFO, and the AI instantly turned that doodle into a realistic object in the image. It blends lighting, shadows, and perspective automatically, so it actually looks like it belongs in the scene. This isn't just editing, it's creation. And my personal favorite demo shows a picture of a dog being transformed into an entire sticker pack. The AI keeps the original look, but creates multiple expressions, poses, and moods automatically. Imagine turning your friends, pets, or even yourself into custom stickers in seconds. That's the level of personalization Samsung is aiming for. 7 brand new updates just leaked for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, including official demo clips that show Samsung's most futuristic feature yet actually working in real life. We're talking a smarter AI assistant, a privacy display that blocks people sitting right next to you, and a quiet camera change nobody noticed. But the biggest surprise might completely change how you use your phone every single day. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you want to stay ahead of every major Samsung leak and feature breakdown, you're in the right place. Let's break down everything new coming to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, starting with the selfie camera, because on paper it looks unchanged this year, but that's not the full story. Samsung quietly switched from its own ISOCELL sensor to a Sony sensor while keeping the specs almost identical. The real difference is the wider field of view, so you can fit more into your selfies. Sony sensors also usually handle low light and dynamic range better, but we'll have to see how much of a difference that makes in real-world testing. Now, moving on, real-life images of the S26 Plus just surfaced, showing the black variant. The selfie cutout looks slightly larger, likely because of that camera tweak, and the redesigned camera module looks clean and refined. For the Ultra, official images revealed the new sky blue color, a soft, understated shade that looks surprisingly elegant. Samsung also confirmed the full lineup colors, with cobalt violet acting as the hero color this year. And if you're buying online, you'll get two exclusives, pink gold and silver shadow. One of the most interesting additions is Now Nudge, and we already have an official demo. It reads what's happening on your screen in real time and suggests helpful actions. If someone asks when you're free, it suggests available times. Filling out a form, it recommends your info. Shopping online? One-tap autofill. Planning an event or sending trip photos? Everything appears as smart suggestions instantly. It basically feels like Samsung finally built a true context-aware assistant into the system, and that's a big deal. Samsung is also adding a new Ask AI feature directly into the Samsung Internet browser powered by Perplexity. You can ask questions about any web page instantly, revisit conversations, and even control how long your activity is stored, from session-only to 6 months. And if you don't want it, you can disable it completely. Now, this might be the highlight of the S26 Ultra, the new privacy display. What if your phone could actually sense when someone is trying to look at your screen and protect your privacy instantly without you touching anything? Because that's exactly what just leaked about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And honestly, this might be one of the smartest real-world features we've seen in years. According to trusted tipster Tarun Vats, new screenshots reveal something called privacy display. And this isn't just another setting buried deep in menus. This looks like a full AI-powered privacy system built directly into the phone. And when leaks start getting attention from sources like Ice Universe, you know there's something real here. So let's break down what's actually going on, because this feature could change how we use our phones in public forever. The leaked screenshots show a dedicated privacy display section in settings, which already tells us Samsung isn't treating this like a small experiment. The phone literally says you can protect your privacy anytime by turning it on. But here's the twist. Even when it's off, the phone says it will automatically turn on when certain conditions are met. That's where things get interesting. Samsung is using software intelligence and AI to automatically activate privacy protection when you open sensitive apps or when you're in crowded places. Imagine checking your banking app, reading private messages, or opening personal photos, and your screen instantly becomes harder for people around you to see. No extra steps, no thinking. It just happens. That's called auto privacy. And this is the kind of feature that feels genuinely useful, not just flashy. But Samsung is also giving users control. There's a manual settings section where you can customize triggers and decide exactly when privacy display should activate. So if you like fine control, you can tailor it to your own habits instead of relying completely on automation. Then there's something called maximum privacy mode, and this sounds like the ultimate shield. With one tap, the screen becomes dimmer while protection is active, making it even harder for anyone nearby to peek at what you're doing. Now here's where the feature starts to feel truly smart. The phone can trigger privacy protection based on where you are, especially in crowded environments like elevators or public transportation. That means the device is aware of your surroundings, not just what app you're using. It can also activate when viewing certain content, like when your screen is locked with a pin or when you open sensitive photos in the gallery. Now, I want to know your thoughts. Which feature are you most excited about? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more early leaks, deep dives, and real updates before everyone else, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.